that where it's like blah blah blah, time is a delicate matter, la la la. Ooh. Oh, hey Jumbo Josh. Mind if I get my remote? I know game. Just when was the light there? I don't remember a light being at the end of chapter 1. Ooh, look at this. This looks like some back room. The bite of 87! The bite of 87 confirmed in the judge the process. We need to get Nabnab on this, you know. But we need to get Nabnab on the case, because there's an elevator to success, but stairs are good exercise. Hi? Yeah, nice song. I wanna go see this Nabnab. Oh. And he's gone. That's fine. I thought I could, like, try to get it to him. But no. Hey, Banban kindergarten.
Hey, you there. I can see you on the cameras. I am so happy to see you. And I need your help with something. Wait, can you even hear me? Hello? Listen, if you can hear what I'm saying, wave at any camera.
And if you see me, any of these characters have camera eyes? Is anyone watching me? Yep, but definitely is someone watching me. Hello!
Oh, thank God. I'm so glad you're here. I thought this was the end. I was looking around and walked into the security room. Then the door closed behind me and I've been stuck inside since. It needs...
Hey, look, there's my drone! It's been so long since I saw you. Last time I saw you, that was back when this game came out. There we go. Now...
Oh, the good old drones. I lost mine a couple of weeks ago.
A couple of weeks
Maintenance
ago?
workers used them for all sorts of things, like reaching high places and grabbing things that fell into the abyss, and sometimes even comfort. It's good that you have one. It might be useful in our little conundrum. Take a look around and see if you can figure out how to get into the maintenance room. I'm unsure if I can be of much help, but wave at the cameras if you need my insight.
In a kindergarten. That makes no sense for that to be here. Okay, now this button. Okay, I got that all right. Thanks to Tatum spoiling it for me. Now, I gotta go. No, I don't have time for your talking.
Sweet. Now you can go down to the meeting. Remember, you're looking for a light blue key card. Good luck and thank you.
Treat others how you would like to be treated. With respect. Oh. Slow believe I may be slow, but I'm quick to help anyone in need. Okay. So where is she like? Who the? Is this a warehouse? Is this a kindergarten or is this like a freaking facility? Who the heck needs this stuff in a kindergarten? Like what the hell? Who the hell needs this crap in the kindergarten? We don't need a warehouse in the kindergarten. We don't need a giant ass city in the kindergarten. Where's my gun? Okay, thank you. Hit this button. What happens after I hit these random 3 buttons? We don't even need these in the kindergarten, you know? Hit the damn button. Now all you have to do is just wait up. Oh my god. Bunny, please hit this last button for me. There. Okay. Last is broken. Time to go. Can we go in here? No? This does not open? What did open? It was probably that. Yeah, it was it. Boom. No. Oh, look, it's safe. Wait, what else is in there? Besides, ooh. You think the back is scary? Oh, look, a key card. A light blue key card. Wait, is that the blue one? Is that Nabnab? Oh my god, she's freaking blue. Huh? Hey, I see you. Damn it, we can't go back. But hey, at least we made it away from that idiot. What do we do now? Ooh, what does this say? If you read this fast enough, you better see. My hand. What the hell was that? Ow.
3 birds with 1 stone. I get all of your key cards, I get the perfect specimen, and I don't have to deal with that thing down there. And it's all thanks to you. Oh, come on. I didn't hit you that hard. Or maybe I did. Either way, it's best you take a nap while I prepare for our little surgery.